Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if Facebook not open your account, so first thing you need to check, you need to try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. So this is the first way you can try. Also you can try another way, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to check your internet connection, so just go to Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after you can try another way, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook here, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully update, install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.